Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, dancing on the water once again, laughing with my friends beneath the cloudy sky, watching little ripples rolling by. The morning came and we were on our way, looking for a brand new day, with backpack songs and smiles upon our faces, making memories in open spaces. Rain, please stay a little while today. We don't need the sunshine anyway. Splashing through the water as the raindrops play above. We're singing together and the world feels far away. Nothing could be better on a rainy holiday. Running through the water without any care, cool wet breezes flowing through the air. Every drop of rain becomes a melody, a simple song of friendship, wild and free. Some are skipping stones across the stream, some are chasing childhood dreams. The laughter echoes through the